Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris and I'm back at the Dollar Tree for the third time. As you can see, I'm right outside and we're about to go in and see what deals they have. We're gonna expand a little bit beyond just the food and see what other items they might have that are a deal because everything's $1. Actually, some things are only 50 cents. So let's see if there's any must-haves from the Dollar Tree. I'm in the dollar store. The first thing I came across was this nut seed blend. Peanut, sunflower kernels, pepitas, and almonds. That seems like a pretty good deal for just $1. Next, a bag of these veggie chips. These are sea salt. These are like vegan veggie straws, but they're in chip form. And then I spotted these ready to eat in 90-second rice meals by Village Harvest. These are organic coconut turmeric, brown jasmine rice. And the ingredients are here for you to look at. Organic. And then the Thai green curry, also organic. And these are super easy to make. You just put it in a skillet or the microwave for 90 seconds and you're ready to go. Here are the ingredients. It contains soy. And then the last one I found was the tikka masala. And here are the ingredients. Next to those, I found sun-dried tomatoes, which are normally pretty expensive, but here they're only $1. Normally they're about $5 or $6, so that's a pretty good deal right here. And next to that, I found these mixed vegetables in a cup. If you're in a bind, if you're feeling lazy, you can just eat these. Otherwise, I would say make your own food prep. It would probably save you a little bit of money, even though these are only $1. But there you go. And what do you know? They even have hard taco shells. If you like tacos as much as I do, this might be a place to get yours. Look, only 2 ingredients, and you get 12 in a pack. And now here's their sugar, and let me show you something about their sugar. Pure cane sugar, bone char free. So there you go. You can pick up a bag of sugar for only $1 and rest easy. It's not processed through bone char. Non-GMO, verified. Here we have some almond milk, vanilla flavored. This is soy-free, gluten-free. It's got your vitamin D, it's got protein, it's got calcium. And then we have West Soy milk. This can totally be an option if you are shopping on a budget. I also found these kosher dill pickles and some hot sauce. There we go, hot sauce, a big bottle. Over in the frozen section, they have these veggie burgers. It comes with 2 of them. Here's the ingredients, and there are the nutritional facts. Next to those, it's the soft pretzels, which I featured in a previous video. And next to that, I found these spring rolls, traditional vegetable spring roll. These say all natural, no MSG, no cholesterol, and they're ready in as little as 2 minutes. And moving into the non-food aisle, I think this is definitely worth mentioning. Here are a bunch of utensils and different things you can put in your kitchen and your pantry. We've got a colander, a strainer here for only $1. Remember, everything here is $1. There's a better one right there. I use these all the time. Here's a measuring cup, which I also use all the time in the kitchen. So if you're looking for a cheap measuring cup, here it is. And parchment paper comes in handy if you do a lot of baking. I know I go through these about once every month, and here they're only $1, and usually I pay about $3 or $4 for one. Here we have wooden forks, spatulas, and spoons. This is probably one of the best deals I've seen. I've seen wooden spoons go for anywhere between $8 and $15, so this is a huge deal. I actually bought these, and I use them almost every day. Here we have a citrus squeezer, which I also picked up this. It's great for squeezing citrus, lemons, limes, and not have to worry about getting the seeds from lemons in whatever you're making. These bottles are great for your sauces. You want to make a nice cheese sauce or a nice sour cream. Boom, put them in these and squeeze the heck out of it. Pot holders, all kinds, so you don't burn your hands right off your body. I mean, you really can't beat the price. They're only $1. And now, I'm not too sure about these, but hey, if you like popcorn, grab a couple of these, have a party, fill it up with some popcorn. I don't know. And then we have these lunch trays. You guys remember being in school? Or are you still in school? There's a lunch tray. I think these would be great for little kids. And then if you're trying to meal prep, you might want to pick up a bunch of these. 7 of them might work for the week, but they do have 2 sections so you can divide your food. These baskets come in a bunch of 5 or 6, and they're great for vegan barbecues, sandwiches, fries. Who likes to go camping? Or who wants to be ready when there's a thunderstorm and all your power gets knocked out? These are only $1. I even came across some vegan Wet n Wild beauty products, and I would highly recommend go checking out my friend Crystal, Vegan Makeup Share, on Instagram for all the latest updates on beauty products that are vegan and cruelty free. And what do you know, they even have cards for only 50 cents each. That's 2 for $1. All right, so there you have it. The Dollar Tree does still have lots of different things that you can fill your kitchen with, fill your house with, fill your refrigerator and pantry with, and you're not gonna break the bank because everything is pretty cheap here. It is a viable place to go and shop if you are shopping on a budget. Even if you're not on a budget, you can still go here and buy some pretty cool things. I hope you like these kind of videos. Let me know in the comments below. Give me that thumbs up to let me know you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies. And I need to go because it's really getting hot in this car. So see you guys next time.